Hi guys! It's 6:20 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. So, bigla lang umulan guys. At ayun guys, dahil meron akong white puto king dito guys, tas umuulan, bigla kong naisip, masarap kumain ng puto. At eto guys, nagluto ako agad ng puto guys. So yan, ito ang aking puto guys, Jonas puto. Ang gamit ko nito guys na cheese, since walang Eden cheese dito, ang gamit ko guys is yung cheddar. Ang gamit ko dito na cheese. Pero iba talaga yung ating cheese guys, kasi masarap na masarap yung ating cheese guys, di ba? So ayun guys, malakas yung ulan at 6:20 guys, sobrang maliwanag pa guys. Ayan, napakaliwanag guys. At kanina malakas yung ulan, ngayon umaambon. So ayan guys, so ang gamit ko guys